Hi everybody, I'm Nicola from Shots Getting Better Together and I'm the Health Walk Development Officer. So today we have came up with a little video of something that you can do prior to going on your walks to make your walks that little bit more interesting. So what we're going to show you is how to make some wild bird feeders to go out and decorate the trees when you go out walking so that you can contribute to the environment in a nice way when you're going out doing your walks. And hopefully increase your chances of seeing some wild birds. We know that walking is great for your physical and mental health, and we're hoping that by getting out and maybe encouraging some children or friends to come with you, that you will feel better for it after going.